One needs to spend several hours or even days on a colored pencil drawing to capture the depth and details required for realism.
This slow medium could be therapeutic to some, but for others, it could be a limitation because of the time constraint they face.
What if I told you that you can speed up your colored pencil drawings and yet produce such vibrant, detailed drawings by combining it with another medium? In this class, we will use alcohol markers to create an underpainting for our colored pencil drawings.
Hi, I'm Smita, an artist and an art instructor based out of Bangalore, India. You can find me on social media as art_by_Smita.
I work mostly with dry media like colored pencils and pastels. I have already published a few beginner-friendly classes on these mediums on Skillshare, and a couple of them are staff picks too.
So, what's new in this class? Let's find out.
Most of you might own a set of alcohol markers lying somewhere waiting to be used.
You can create stunning illustrations with just markers alone, and that is an entirely different topic. Our aim in this class is to combine markers with colored pencils and make our life easier.
While markers bring in the depth, the extra vibrancy and speed to the drawing, colored pencils are perfect for blending, adding finer details and textures. I will explain the materials required, the techniques that will be followed, and few useful tips to take your skills to the next level. After that, we will move on to the class project, which includes these 3 illustrations. You can draw any one of these or even all 3. I will provide you with the reference photo, take you through the process of choosing the colors, and then will explain to you how to use markers as a base for your drawings before adding details and textures with colored pencils. This class is perfect for those who would like to explore the possibilities of combining different mediums, or for those who would like to reduce the time they spend on realistic colored pencil drawings. You can take this class if you have never ever used alcohol markers, as we are only using them as a means to speed up the process. Our main medium, however, will be colored pencils. You need not be a pro at colored pencils to take this class, but you will find it easier if you have had some basic colored pencils knowledge and experience. If you are completely new to this medium, then as a prerequisite, please watch any of my beginner-friendly colored pencil classes on Skillshare to understand the basics.
I hope towards the end, this class opens up new possibilities for you when it comes to mixed media art. Alright then, see you in class.